Welcome to episode number 34 of the Fine Art of Distraction. My name is Nathan Lindsell, and you are on board the Acrylic Ghost Train. Yeah! Right before me, you would have watched the amazing Taslima of Taslima Maya Art. And let me tell you, it's always such a thrill to watch her pour because she does insanely awesome things. Oh yeah! I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank Darren, Kay, and Christy for putting on this collaboration and allowing me to pour with you all. Make sure you stick around and watch all of the other artists because they are all insanely awesome. I hope you're having fun because I am having a ball. Let's head over to the table. I'll show you what products I'll be using, and guess what? I'll be doing a bloom swipe. For maybe one of you out there, it'll hang on your wall, and I'll forever be able to watch over you. Thanks, guys. These are the products I'll be using today, but as you can see, there is way too many products here to let you know individually what I'm using. So throughout the video, I will let you know what colors I'm using as I'm using them. But for now, I will let you know what brands I'm using throughout this pour. I'll be using brands such as British Paints, Floetrol, Taubmans, Sonja, Global, Boom Gel, Amsterdam, Deco Art, Health of Mind, Pearl X, and also this little piggy. I also have my blowtorch there to get rid of any air bubbles that appear. I will clear off all of this, I will mix up some paints, and then we will get going. Thanks, guys!
Alrighty, guys, I hope you're having fun because I sure am having a ball. Okay, so what I'm doing here now is I'm actually just drawing a pumpkin with a pencil on a 1 centimeter thick MDF board. I will go over it with a black Sharpie texture, just so when I'm actually carving out the pumpkin with the router, I can actually see what I'm actually doing. So now that I've finished that one, I decided, hey, I've got plenty of room on this board, I might as well do another one, so you guys get a twofer. Yahoo! Alright, so exact same process, just drawing the pumpkin with a pencil, then I'm going to go over it with a black Sharpie texture, literally just so I can see what I'm actually doing when I'm carving it out using the router. So now that I've actually got the pumpkins drawn, now it's time to carve them out using the router. But to start with, I will actually drill a hole as an entry point for the router to fit in. Then I'll actually do one pass at about 1/2 centimeter deep. Then I'll actually lower the router bit to the full centimeter and actually carve out the pumpkin the whole way. To save a little bit of time, I'm only going to show you me actually carving out one of the pumpkins, but I can assure you both pumpkins got carved out. Okay, so now I'm just going to give it a quick sand just to sort of get rid of any of the rough edges. And you'll notice I actually put it back in the actual MDF board where I actually carved it from. And it basically acted as its own vise. And now I'm just using a very, very thin sander, basically just to get into the small gaps. I didn't really get all the gaps, but hey, it's good enough. Alrighty, so now that they're actually nice and smooth and all sanded back, it's time to actually prep and prime them. But silly me, forgot to actually hit record when I was actually priming them, so here's just a picture of them. Alrighty, so here's all the paints and pigments mixed up, and the pouring medium that I used was actually the Shelee Art recipe, which is the absolute perfect recipe to use when doing a bloom or a bloom swipe. As you can see here, it's a nice thin smooth consistency, absolutely perfect for a bloom. Alrighty then, so now it's actually time to actually start pouring some paint. Yo, beauty! To start with, we're going to lay down a pillow paint. And the paint that I'm actually using for my pillow is actually from British Paints. It's Low Sheen Exterior, 4 Seasons Defense, and the colour is black. Now we're going to put some colours over the top, and we've got Boom Gel-Pea Flower Orange, Health of Mind Art Blood Red, TEAL Inferno, Pearl X Red Russet, Deco Art 24 Karat Gold, Pearl Ex-Scarlet, TEAL Boogie, Health of Mind Art Lime Green, Pearl Ex-Pumkin Orange, Boom Gel Flame Tree, and this next one is actually a custom colour that I made, and it's from Global, and it's Fluoro Orange and Fluoro Yellow. And let me introduce you to my huge swiping tool, which is actually a 15cm round mini pizza serving palette knife. And the cell activator that I'm using is actually Amsterdam-Oxide Black mixed with Aussie Floetrol at a ratio of 4:1. Okay, so now we're putting the pillow paint down on the second pumpkin, and where I actually got this pillow paint from, it's actually the scrapings from the first pumpkin that I did. I hate wasting any paint, and it works out perfect that I was doing 2 pumpkins back to back. Now we're just going to add some colour, and we're going to start with Boom Gel Baby Blue, TLP Funk, Pearl Ex-Shimmer Violet, Health of Mind Art Ghost Blue, which is actually an interference blue, TLP Rave, Health of Mind Art Pop Pink, Health of Mind Art Lime Green, TLP Pinwheel, TLP Nightfall, Boom Gel Pearl Teal, and my favourite colour of all time, Health of Mind Art Bermuda Blue. And I thought, hey, we'll top it off with a bit of bling and put some Deco Art 24 karat gold. Again, I'm using my massive 15cm round mini pizza serving palette knife. And the shell activator that I'm using is actually Amsterdam-Oxide Black mixed with Aussie Floetrol at a ratio of 4:1.
yes, 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 yes! I am super stoked with how these are. They are wicked cool! Yahoo! Yes! I'm so happy with how they turned out. Yahoo! Now what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to wipe the bottom so it doesn't keep pulling the paint away. And also another reason why you want to wipe your bottom, because you don't want a dirty bum. With how these turned out. Yeah! Yes! Having so much fun during this collaboration. I know I've had heaps of fun. This has been an absolutely awesome time. I've had so much fun. Yahoo! Straight after me is Venom Fluid Art. Make sure you stick around and check out all the others. I just want to take this opportunity to thank you all so much for watching my part in this collaboration. Again, I had so much fun. And if you think I'm deserving of your thumbs up, and if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, and you feel like subscribing to us, hit the subscribe button, then hit the little dark bell. That'll indicate when I actually upload new videos. Alright guys, one more time, thank you so much for joining me. Again, I had an absolute blast doing this. As I said before, make sure you stick around to watch Venom Fluid Art and also all the other artists in this collaboration. Again, I had so much fun. Thank you very much. And this is the fine art of distraction.